Machita namaGrootman Betway Premiership yethu iyabuya vandag tonight. The big question is Orlando Pirates izayawina na i-league. Iyalida i-Pirates nge 2 points, Sundowns number 2. I-most i-onlookers okanye i-neutrals ziyeke i-fans e-Pirates ne-Sundowns, but abantu abangaphakathi nje in the middle abazi-neutrals bafuna i-Pirates iwine i-league for ba i-competition levels i-ground izoba balance ki-Betway Premiership. Sundowns iwine i-league 8 seasons in a row. 8 Joe. Orlando Pirates ingayinqanda lo dynasty ke ngoku. Askis ngophazamisa owenza. Cela singalibali support channel Machita, ushaye u-like okanye if iqala udibana ne-channel ushaye u-subscribe. Cela nje lonto incinci Machita angicele marandi. Cela xa nisupporta i-channel sizokwazi ulungisa into eziso Machita. Xa and ina Pirates ngale 12 games ne, Sundowns ngale 30. So i-Pirates ina 18 matches left for ba mayiwine i-league. Ba mayiwine i-league Machita. Sundowns obviously izofaka i-pressure. Sundowns inaso i-squad. I mean i-Pirates inaso i-squad. Inazo i-players. Maybe experience ayikho yona in terms of abantu i-players ezisukuba kwi-situation isoba siyalida siyaleqwa i-Sundowns up and say pressure izoba high and so dlala ne-team ezilwayo. Pirates apha kule 18 games izodlala ne-teams eziki-top 5 ezifana ne-Sundowns. Ophinde idlala ne-Sundowns ngoFebruary, izodlala ne-Chiefs ngoFebruary, izodlala ne-Sekhukhune United ki-top 3 and then ziyeke mid-table clubs. I-Pirates ophinde idlale ne-teams ezisezantsi nje ezifayithele relegation ngosomdanger ke yabo ke Machita. I-Pirates mekwazi kuse uthola i-points kwi-match ezinjalo. Indaba ezimnani ezi-grand bafit Pirates biseyikwazile uyenza le way. I-first half yale season i-Pirates before AFCON break ibikwazile uyenza le way ba i-matches qomuki apha ngoba i-Pirates adlala nga-grand apha kwenye i-Pirates ibotshiwe apha mara kuse ithole result. Khange ithole i-performance but ayithole result and i-league uyiwina njalo ke Machita. Late goal Pirates kuse bizithole pha Pirates apha kule 12 games betheleke season nge-league ibiye banawo 1-0 I think no by 3 ibalulekile ke lo way Machita. So that's why abantu Pirates bayajonga ingayenza le way and Orlando Pirates kusina strong bokhe jonga yona power yayo iphi apha kule season i-defense bafit and siyazi ukuthwana nge-defense bajonga ukuze win i-league inokube ne-clean sheets. Pirates clean sheets ajonga bizifaka ebhegini kule season so far and because of AI coach yayo uLandoza Abdeslam Wad uyabonakalisa ba waye-defender at a high level. Wayedlala kwi-Premier League nase-France, Morocco International. Umshita kuswa ajonga i-master ki-defense. Pirates i-defense yayo siyibonile bafethu. So Pirates again andiyiboni bafethu kuse iphunqula yonke la way bakhe jonga quality defense and they can only get better ki-attack. Basayine number 10 omtsha attack midfielder is smart to Mr. Space, Mr. Intelligence, Andre de Jong from Stellenbosch. Uzakwenza i-difference nayo. Omasangwanye ba-hungry nabo. So yeah bafethu kuse Orlando Pirates asikisi bafethu ngicela nje nimisa kancane nisegarage asikisi zaphela niqhubeke ngoku nisegarage bafethu. uDe Jong bafethu sismarting, uDe Jong bafethu sismarting signing smart nyanyana Orlando Pirates bafethu. It might be signing of the season out. La signing calculated Machita. Orlando Pirates isayine number 10 ozokwazi upressa high, ukwazi upressa ifront Machita. Then here's the video ngoDe Jong ngena ku details ba ukejonga why i-signing into for Orlando Pirates. If ufuna ukubona la video ungajonga le timeline le channel la out bafethu oqala iBetway Premiership proven ibalulekile lawo bafethu akho ibaleke njengaleya bayisejonga usana iplayer iBetway Premiership proven especially during January during the season. De Jong sedlale I think 12 to 15 games already for Stellenbosch this season. Akuzodinga isikhathi so-adapter. Eyazi league over 100 games apha kule league. Eyazi stadiums alapha, eyazi rhythm ele competition eBetway Premiership. La out izawungena iPirates yenze instant impact. Ikhilo weqawusana especially ngoJanuary kawuleqa ileague. And then khona uyendivileyo ngoMasangwanye bafethu bayejonga ngoMasangwanye bafethu basopa Tito uzawubuya ngesivungu bafethu uTito ngoba ise umjita kuthiwa uhungry ngoku and ise okwespana ufuna uya kwiWorld Cup bafana sesukudlala bafana uTito and a player ufuna prove point bafethu a player that has a point to prove bafethu is a very dangerous player. uTito une point to prove ngoba umbonile useumbule ba okay ubukele iAfcon uTito ehlele endlini jo elowe asozibe enjoyable away and uTito twice uweke ki-fitness yakhe bafethu and ese uhungry ulambile and ihunger akwazi uthenga bafethu ihunger and uTito igame yakhe sambona ba ithinjile under uwadu ufuna ibhola imove quick uRivero yena uTito ibemnika la freedom ba okay jonga naturally banguwe mfethu like slow down igame bafuna slow down igame like spenda isikhathi ebholeni apha uadaptile kuwadu ba wadu ufuna kuse uTito I move quicker ibhola which is like uTito already seyikwazile uadapta kulo way and uTito nangona bedlale iminutes ezimbalo bafethu uki top 5 goal contributors Orlando Pirates so far this season uTito. I think umjita ushaye 3 goals and then 2 assists. I'm quite sure mara ngajonga apha phezulu ndayibeka apha phezulu lewe. It's like layout is about dangerous bafethu uTito. Even ndivile basijonga motivation to try no motivation and say ufocus and most key bafethu uTito attitude yakhe iyaba sharp iyaba grand bafethu. uTito nje isipine edrotshiwe kuza drotshwe kuqale ombule phaka nama 10 position noma fuke uTito attitude yakhe bafethu kuthiwa yahlala igrand umjita besiloke smile umjita encumile engena bad attitude and which is going to be key izomnceda lo xa thola ichance bamaka perform. So Orlando Pirates bafethu izoba dangerous this season kule second half of the season. Sundowns bafethu afuneka ispanile bafethu lena izoba yona league title if ithathile jonga uzayisebenzele Pirates bafethu ayizoqedisa ngamandla Pirates izosuka bafethu sukile Pirates adlali Pirates vekina Sundowns adlalayo Monday and then Pirates udlala ngeweekend and that's for some reason and Pirates bafethu izaba na 2 games in hand in a game in hand plus ne 2 points lead ngoku kuzoba yi2 ngoku Pirates adlala Pirates vekina idlala ngeweekend against Sekhukhune United and Pirates if iwinile phakula game uqala nje first game after a break and then sewuthola iwin against Sekhukhune United i-top team bakhaniyela izohamba bafethu akajuju bafethu ne-players zalo khona i-key players bafethu like iPirates andiyiboni iluza equality ki-defense yabo andiyiboni iluza equality ki-defense usekhona i-best defender yakhona iPirates ayambanga umkile umbokazi bafethu but yey CM bafethu lebone CM bafethu umbokazi bentswemi bafethu but sele underrated. I think equality levels zabo azohlukanga kakhulu bafethu yazi kusombokazi bi superstar mchana but ulebone CM bafethu especially machita and Pirates okay imreplaceile futhi umbokazi ngomphocha batsane from iMaromo Gallants sezambona ke umjita ba okay like Pirates is a different level, it's a different club. You can deliver a club also kuwe but Pirates this is where you must deliver and uThabatsane ndimthembile because also ucoachwa i-top coach lawadu lo abafethu world class coach le abafethu and right defender futhi so andiboni any issues ba uThabatsane akazi umperformance ke high level uriding ulebone CM uyafika usuka ki-TS Galaxy mos wafika Orlando Pirates ube best defender in the league in my opinion. Uthabathane, what are the chances bakusenayo uzofika big quality nakula level yi1? High chances bafethu. Uyenzile ngolebona simeme uzayenza ngoChabathane. And then Pirates ke ngoku forward line, Pirates sendimentionile kuse uDe Jong. And then kusekho Mofokeng bafethu. Kusekho Mofokeng akafiki ilevel yakhe. Use second gear Mofokeng kule season. So nice sisophinda buyela ku level yakhe. And Orlando Pirates ayina Champions League to compete with. They don't have Champions League. They're out of the Champions League. Molweni Sundowns yona izocompete on 3 fronts. Sundowns izocompete CAF Champions League, izocompete iBeto Premiership, icompete like Nedbank Cup. Pirates anayo Champions League. Orlando Pirates ya bafethu andiyiboni mna iphuncula le way. Iza drop points grand phana pha kodwa inga drop points. But bafethu Sundowns uKadoso akanbaselanga mina bafethu sibonile yonke le bafethu and Orlando Pirates I think isizini yayo le ndiyibona izi-league champions kakufika uMay Machida. Nithini zone opinions bafethu? iPirates izayiphunqula nale way izochitha iRice Sanini okanye Sundowns ayizulenza ixesha? Zithini comments bafethu, zithini opinions zenu masinqolo comments bafethu. Ngicela ngalibala usupporta ichannel, shaye ulike okanye ifaqala dibana channel ushaye subscribe. Watch bafethu select 20,000 watch.